If you're looking to streamline your manufacturing process tracking, you've probably heard of Monday.com. It's a popular choice for a reason, but can it truly meet the demands of manufacturing? Stick around to find out, because we'll break it down and I'll show you some even better alternatives for your specific needs by the end of this video. Let's jump straight into it. First off, Monday.com offers a customizable platform, which is great for manufacturing process tracking. The interface allows you to create workflows that match your production process, whether it's assembly, quality control, or inventory management. But keep in mind, although customizable, you may find it a bit overwhelming at first. Setting up boards and automating processes requires a learning curve, which may slow things down initially. Next thing, tracking production stages. In Monday.com, you can build dashboards that visually track each stage of your manufacturing process. You can have everything from raw materials to finished products tracked in real time. It's useful, but it does rely heavily on manual data entry. If your team is not updating things frequently, you could run into delays or miscommunications. The fourth thing, automation. This is where Monday.com shines, but also where it struggles. Automation allows you to notify team members, update statuses, or send reminders when certain milestones are met. However, these automations can become costly if you need a high volume of them. Plus, complex automations might be better handled by more manufacturing-specific platforms that are tailor-made for these processes. Next up, reporting. Monday.com does provide reporting features, such as progress tracking and time analysis, which is helpful for managing deadlines. But the reports are fairly generic. Manufacturing processes are often complex and specific, so you might find the reporting options a bit too basic for the detailed insights you need to optimize your production efficiency. Now, let's talk about collaboration. Monday.com supports teams with its communication features, letting you comment on tasks and easily share updates. That said, it can get noisy if you're not careful with notifications. It's also not as integrated with ERP or specialized manufacturing tools as some of its competitors, which could be a downside if you're looking for something more robust. But let's be real, while Monday.com offers plenty of general features, it's not always the best fit for tracking manufacturing processes, especially if you need advanced reporting, specialized automation, or deeper ERP integration. There are other tools out there that do it better, and I'll share those with you in just a bit. The last thing I want to mention is cost. Monday.com isn't the cheapest option. It can get pricey for manufacturing teams, especially when you factor in the premium plans to unlock more advanced features. So, if you're working with a limited budget, you may want to consider alternatives that offer a similar or better solution at a more reasonable price point. Before we wrap up, I've got some exciting news. I've secured an exclusive and extended free trial for Monday.com through my link in the description, and I also want to highlight some alternatives that could be even better for your manufacturing process tracking needs. These alternatives not only have a free trial, but also come with features that might align better with your specific needs, like better reporting or stronger integration with ERP systems. Click the link to get the best free trial and exclusive benefits available only for my viewers. Don't miss out.